you guys, long awaited, we finally got our new computer. It has taken like a month and a half to get here. We placed this order, when was it? Sometime in late May. $700. As I said in our previous video, our little laptop thing, trying to work with that, has not been working very well. So we had to upgrade. It's just something that it is. Another reason we got this is so I can do better 3D modeling stuff, because I do have a 3D printer, which we'll do a video about sometime. That thing takes forever. But yeah, so I guess this is our first unboxing video.
Yay! Oh. The fear. It's a box in a box, you said?
Box in a box.
It's a box in a box. Boxes in a box.
This did come with a mouse.
Cool.
And a keyboard. Okay. Got this.
Can't see.
Well, just your run-of-the-mill keyboard. Nothing really fancy about it. Although I think we're gonna use the wireless one though, just because that is gonna be. Well, we'll see. This was the only place that we could put this too, just because I've got way too many things plugged in on this wall over here, and the weird way that this place is wired is this outlet and the outlet out there are on the same circuit, along with like parts of the outlet in the kitchen. So you got to be really careful about how much stuff we have plugged in over there. Alright, big reveal. Without breaking it. Jeez, don't show.
Can't see.
That's a thick cardboard.
Hey.
Thick boy.
Hey.
Turner.
Turner.
Turner. Oh wow. I forgot how mean this was.
Wow.
It's upside down. There she be. Ooh, I'm gonna put this down before I drop it. We had to do a quick little pause to make sure that the sound quality was alright. But yeah, this was like one of the cheaper in-between kind of things. I didn't want to spend like $3,000 on like a high-end super gaming PC thing, Intel i9 700th generation thing. This should do the trick. So we're gonna see what happens when I plug it in.
The light's on. Oh, it just turned off the second you looked at it.
I think that was just it being awesome.
Okay.
Oh, the cable. HDMI, right. VGA.
Oh, that's so cool. Wonder if we can change colors of that.
Oh, I'm sure we can. If it has different colors to change to. There might be some personal information.
Well, I will pause it then.
Oh, keyboard layout, US.
Can't read any of this on my phone.
I was just asking which keyboard layout we want. You want to add a second keyboard?
No.
Now we have some important setup to do.
Oh, wonderful. Pictures on
I'd
this
still
computer.
blur that number out though, because I don't know what.
Oh, I didn't record it. Back your files with OneDrive. No, my OneDrive is full.
I'm going to say files to this PC.
I don't know. Cortana. Ugh. I never use Cortana. Ooh.
Oh, okay.
That's a lot of work.
Oh.
We're getting everything ready for you. Oh, how sweet. Aren't you just a darling? This might take several minutes. It's gonna take forever.
Okay, so we got it started, and everything's working the way it should. What have you noticed right away?
Faster.
It's faster. We had problems with the program opening, and it looks like that got all resolved. We're actually really glad with this purchase, so I think this is a win. Let's hope that this carries into our videos and we get some better material out there. We've got lots of ideas. We've got all the time, I guess, to get it done, so hey. Alright, so as always, make sure to check the links down below in the description. Check out our Instagram. Stay safe, stay sane, you guys, and we'll see you on the next episode.